Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare a glass cake, also known as transparent fruit jelly cake. Let's get started. Select your favorite fruits and chop them into pieces. It is a visually appealing cake, so choose all the vibrant colors. Now take a pan and add 4 cups of water. Add 1 cup sugar. This is agar-agar powder. I bought it from online. It is a plant-based product. Check the green color logo before purchasing. As shown in the instructions, adding 2 tablespoons agar-agar powder for 4 cups of water. Mix well, then turn on the flame and boil until sugar melts completely on low flame. Bring it to a boil and turn off the flame. Keep it aside until it cools slightly. Pour a small amount of transparent cake mixture into a cake mold. Decorate your choice of sliced fruits. It is the top layer of the cake, so do it carefully. Once the layer is done, pour the liquid slowly. Repeat the procedure. One layer fruits, another layer liquid. Keep it in room temperature for 30 minutes. Then keep it in refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. Once the cake is set, carefully remove it from the mold. This jelly cake looks and tastes so delicious. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.